Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sagitterini. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sagitterini. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my gorgeous Sagitterini. I wish you the best and the happiest birthday ever, because you do not know what is coming, and what is coming is going to be remarkable, and most certainly it's going to reveal itself on the 17th, 18th and the 19th of December 2020. This is going to be remarkable, and the way I can actually describe this, it's most certainly going to be like a feeling of like, ooh la la, there is a light, there is a beautiful, gorgeous light, there is a sun, there is a sunshine right at the end of the tunnel. And I also want to say at the same time that there will be the news that you are going to receive, and that news is going to be very important to you indeed, and also it's connected to the actual fact that this is most certainly going to be worth celebrating. So an important news you are going to receive, and also at the same time it's going to be really important announcement that this is going to be connected to. This is wonderful, and this is very significant, and this is very important time for you, because it's going to help you to move on, but also on another hand it's going to help you to make a rather important decision which is going to be super relevant at the end of the month. Most importantly, on the 30th of December there will be a quite important decision that you are going to make based on these beautiful 3 days that are going to unfold. This is the new portal which is about to open for you, my gorgeous Sagitterini, and I'm so happy for you because I know how much this is going to mean to you, and also at the same time it's going to be connected to you taking the next steps. So which steps do you need to take, my babies? Were you holding your back at a certain point? Did something affect you to the point that it kind of affect your way of thinking, in particular when it comes to your future planning and things like that? There is a lot going to be relevant to you, my gorgeous Sagitterini, because a lot is going to start shifting at this very moment in time indeed. But just remember that these 3 days are going to be super important, because you are going to be taking the next steps, and this is exactly what you're going to be thinking about. This is exactly what you're going to be focusing on, and this is exactly what is going to be on your mind. You just need to remember, my babies, yes, it is going to be like, oh my god, the energy of just still a little bit energy of uncertainty, which you really must and you really need to ignore. Indeed, just remember that you need to be bold and ambitious, my lord. When I say that you need to be bold and ambitious, this is to do with the choice that you are going to have. This is so remarkable because it's about expanding yourself, expanding your life, expanding your experience, expanding your plans, but also at the same time it's all about you finally feeling like you are moving forward. This is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful moment in time indeed. My name is Sasha Bonasin, and I'm a psychic medium, and this is your monthly horoscope tarot card reading, and it's for you, my gorgeous Sagitterini, and it's for December. It's your month, babies, 2020, so it's for you, my gorgeous Sagitterini, and it's for December 2020. You know, I really like this indeed, because when it comes to the actual numerology, my babies, your number is number 3. Number 3 is a very powerful number. Number 3 is a very strong number. Number 3 also means the exact number of changes that you are going to be having, exact number of changes that you're going to be able to focus on and that you're going to be able to follow through. And just remember, my babies, to ignore the actual negativities around you as much as you can, because this is about you. It's about your energy. It's about your power. It's about your spiritual journey, and it's about the fact that you're complete and you're having a very you're going to have a very important moment of completion. So karmically, this is strong. Number 3 means that 3 major changes are going to take place, and these 3 changes are all going to be equally important, and all 3 of them are going to have important opportunities attached to them. What you need to understand that number 3 in numerology means, in particular when it comes to you, my babies, and when it comes to December, it's about the portal, the whole new portal. It's about to open for you. And this is most certainly going to become evident right from the beginning of the month, because you are going to be, sorry, sorry. Yeah, this is very important because it's just the energy is going to feel really significant from the very beginning of the actual December, because you will be able to feel, you will be able to tell that the energy is slowly shifting. And when I say the energy is shifting, most certainly you're going to be able to see that breakthrough from the negative energy into positive energy, which will reflect on you in such a wonderful way, where you're going to start feeling like keen to do things, when you're going to start feeling re-energizing. And there is going to be the energy, the return of energy. It's also at the same time going to bring you the return of the old you, but in the best possible way. And that in itself is going to bring you a remarkable moment, because something from your past is going to come forward. Not a person, baby, no. Something from the past, the past plans and things like that are going to be also kind of start moving forward at the same time. Number 3 also means that this is the time to actually plan for the long term as well. This is very important when it comes to karma. And it's very important when it comes to manifestation, and it's very important when it comes to your own power of mind. Because the more you're planning, the more you're going to release the negative energy. The more you're planning, the more you're going to set yourself free. The more you're planning, the more transformational energy you are going to achieve around you. Sorry, and that transformational energy that you're going to achieve around you, it's also going to become rather magnetic and very important, and it's going to start attracting changes into your life. So you will be able to use this wonderful balance of energy that you will have and use it in your favor, in particular when it comes to things that you're really passionate about, and when it comes to your own understanding of the issues that you have and the problems that you have from a completely different angle. This is going to be really remarkable, because at the same time, as I said, you are going to make an important planning when it comes to the actual for the long term, okay? And also what I was going to say, it is just basically about the fact that you need to understand to be patient, when you decide what are you going to do next. This is an amazing time for planning, but just remember to actually be patient as you decide what are you going to do next. This in itself is going to help you to make a decision, because it's going to bring you perspective, it's going to bring you focus. And on another hand, this is very important when it comes to you feeling driven, and that driven energy is also going to become very powerful starting point, in particular when it comes to you realizing that there is a certain choice that you will have, and that is going to be quite unwise, and that what I can say here is that this is involving you making a choice, but also on another hand, it's involving you realizing that there is a better way that will actually make you happier. And this is on another hand the product of this wonderful energy that you are going to have, because there will be a slight change of mind that you are going to have, and the slight change of mind, it's also going to be super relevant when it comes to this. And also it's going to be important for you to understand to avoid people who lack integrity or who have like a questionable motives. Indeed, this is very important, because on another hand, you are gonna basically have a really great news, in particular when it comes to the actual ultimate change. And the reason why you're gonna have a good news when it comes to your ultimate change is purely because you're gonna hear a really important announcement. And the important announcement that you're gonna have, this is primarily to do with you, is to do with your success, and it's also to do with the reward that you're going to have from the past work, from the past effort, from the things that from the time when you have put like like a lots of energy towards something, and it just didn't happen, and it didn't unfold as quick as you wanted. So now this is most certainly going to be your moment. It's about the actual realization that by the end of the month, you're going to recognize something really important about yourself. You're going to recognize something really important about your life at the same time, and this is going to be really big, because it's just also at the same time going to make you feel really good. It's going to make you feel really happy, and it's going to make you feel really proud of yourself at this, at that moment in time as well, because it's to do with your capability, but it's also to do with a just reward from hard work, success, and also very important admiration from others. I'm so happy because this month is going to lead towards the actual success, in particular when it comes to your personal security, when it comes to material attainment. You're going to find yourself on an advanced stage, and most certainly this is going to be remarkable when it comes to your own personal victory. This month is going to bring you a personal victory. It's not that you're only going to be in your element, that you're going to start feeling re-energized. This is going to be refreshing in so many different ways, but also at the same time to hear about a victory. This is going to be so personal to you, because you will know that you are just one step closer towards something absolutely mind-blowing which is going to take place. On another hand, this is just all to do with the actual you finally finding stability, finding stability after a difficult time, but then at the same time it's to do with a wish, something that you wanted to achieve, something that you wanted to do, something that you wanted to find out. It's the path that you were waiting to be unfolded right in front of you, and this is most certainly going to be a moment in time where you're going to be able to express yourself in so many different ways, but on another hand, very, very big step moving forward. There will be a quite important negotiation in numerology. Number 3, it's a very versatile number, in particular when it comes to in combination with other numbers. Like, for example, if we've got like the month of December, it's number 12, then you have number 3. So this means that there is a quite important negotiation that is going to take place. And this really means so much to so many of you, because it depends where you are at your spiritual journey, where you're at right now according to your karma. But most importantly, it's going to be important to you, and very significant negotiation is going to take place, and this is going to be really big moment for you, because also it is going to bring you to perspective and focus, and that is in itself, it's going to also shake you up a little bit in the best possible way. It is going to bring you the wake-up call. Something is going to change within you, something is going to happen, but it's going to be so good because it's going to open your eyes, and most importantly, it's going to give you and bring you that final push, and it's going to help you to realize that it's so much up to you, but at the same time it's going to help you realize how powerful, how significant, how beautiful you are, and that you just have to trust yourself. Just listen to yourself, listen to your beauty, listen to your uniqueness. It's what you are here for on this earth, to try to recognize and find out what is like so beautiful and so unique about you, and just take it on the whole next level. This is exactly what is going to happen to you, and this is exactly why this is going to be such an important month. It's the combination of you really achieving something really great, really big, really significant, but at the moment in time when your energy is really powerful, when your energy is really strong, and when your personal energy, my gorgeous Sagitterini, is very strong. Of course, happy birthday to you. It's in the month of December. You will find this month to be a little bit different, because you are going to find a certain strength and certain power to deal with issues that were making you feel really uncomfortable. And this is also going to help you to make a really wise decision, and the wise decision that you're going to make, it's purely going to come through you from a making decision and understanding and realizing things from a much higher perspective, much higher angle. And this is all going to be the actual direct result of things happening to you at the month of December. Okay, I want you to understand this. Please, my gorgeous Sagitterini, just try to ignore the negativity as much as you can around you, because there is a lot going on, but you must not let this affect you, because it's creating certain confusion, but that confusion creates uncertainty, and then that kind of prevents us to move forward, because subconsciously and consciously we are unable to connect to our life like how we normally are. So we are just kind of stuck in a little box. So that little box is just gonna go, and we're gonna say bye bye. On another hand, what else I was going to say, my gorgeous Sagitterini? Yes, it is on. You see. Sagitterini, happy birthday. On another hand, what else I was going to say, it's basically if you do want to have a certain negotiations, my babies, this month of December, it's going to be remarkable, and there is also going to be like a luck on your side when it comes to the Archer energy, so you can negotiate as much as you can. You can do things that you want to prove yourself. If you want somebody to notice you, listen, this is the power that you will have. If you want somebody to notice you, your energy will be very strong, and this is the month to do things. This is the month to make yourself known. This is the month to deal with issues. This is the month to deal with problems, but it's also the month to actually try to like manifest as much as you can. By manifesting, of course, I'm thinking by focusing, by getting the right perspective, but at the same time, don't forget that while you're thinking about your life in the very positive and optimistic way, at that very time, you will have the power to create things and to make things to go so much further, because this month will be very important for you, because it's going to be very strong when it comes to your personal reflection. Okay, so if you want to also like kind of like a go, I know that there is going to be very, very important element, big important element that is going to create, start and make significant change, and this is all about you taking your life on the next step. No matter what you do, you need to use this wonderful energy. Just remember, no matter what you do, if you're working, if you're not working, if you're looking for a job, if you're retired, it doesn't really matter. This is all about you taking your life on the next stage or on the next level, exactly where you are meant to be. And also a remarkable idea, I really like the fact, and I must not forget this, that there is the idea that you're going to have. In the last 2 days of December, pay attention to what idea you're going to have, because that idea is going to come from somewhere else. That idea is going to be very significant. It's going to be a little bit strange, a little bit unusual, but it's also going to be connected to the things that you're actually used to do in the past. I'm not saying that you need to go back to the past. No, baby, no. But this is the certain element that it's going to return, and it's most certainly going to require your attention, because this little element is going to be like super important, baby, when it comes to your own happiness, when it comes to you finding out something about yourself, when it comes to an important confirmation, but also when it comes to you moving on with your life in the next direction and enjoying changes, enjoying new beginning, and enjoying that completion of your journey that I said, and also the beginning, which is going to happen at the right moment, at the right time, as we are having. Look, it's wonderful, my gorgeous Sagitterini. You just managed to jump in so nicely, because at the end of December, this is the end of the year 2020, and then you have the beginning of 2021, which for your case is going to work absolutely wonderful. It's like the energy of the new moon in particular, because when it's the energy of the full moon, we do certain things in a certain way. When it's the energy of the new moon, we do things in a different way. So when it's the new moon, this is the energy, like it's similar energy to the actual new moon that you are going to have. So it's the beginning, it's about the beginning, it's about the planning, it's about the projection, it's about the start, it's about throwing yourself in all sorts of situations and just making sure that you understand the way this is going to go, the way this is going to grow, the way this is going to unfold, and the way this is going to develop, because we have a new moon, and then it's every day is changing until it becomes like a full moon. So you see, with every single change, you know, this is a little bit of new energy that you are going to have, and that energy is representing things that you are doing, that you are changing, that you are manifesting at the same time. So this is why this is going to be so wonderful. Great month if you're looking for work, if you're looking for changes, if you're looking like anything to express yourself, but in particular if you want someone to notice you, like, my lord, now December is like more important than ever. because I want to say to you that you need to understand that your energy is going to be really, really strong. But there is a little trick to it, you know, because if you are bringing yourself down, then that energy can kind of become more like maybe draining, you know. So you just need to remember to use this energy to the best of your ability, even if you feel like, oh God, I can't be bothered to do this, I can't be bothered to do that. All you need to do in order to go through these doors, all you need to do in order to make this happen is just go forward, just start, just open your mouth, just do things. Even if you've got the worst day, even if you've got like the worst hangover and things like that, you have got this powerful energy around you, in particular when it comes to December. So just use it, my babies, use it very, very wisely indeed. When it comes to your health, my gorgeous Sagitterini, I want to say that it's also rather important to just make sure that you're taking something like to rejuvenate you in terms of like a boosting your immune system. I know I said this like 5 million times, but I'm gonna say 5 million times more. Like basically try to take something like organic acerola cherry powder in a little glass of water, baby, every single morning, and this is going to boost your immune system, because organic acerola cherry powder is highly rich in the natural vitamin C, rather than taking something like with the chemicals and anti-caking agents and blah blah blah, all the nonsense, unnecessary nonsense that they put in. So you just get organic acerola cherry powder, which is going to boost your immune system, and at the same time just try to get like a natural iron liquid. Natural iron liquid is going to be super important, because it's also going to boost your immune system. It's incredibly significant when it comes to our bodies, but also it's going to be remarkable when it comes to actually energy levels. So if you feel a little bit drained and tired, this is nothing unusual. The actual iron liquid is going to be remarkable. So if you can take every single morning like organic acerola cherry powder alongside the actual iron liquid water, it must have nothing else, just iron liquid water, and also vitamin D and also vitamin zinc. I mean, these are just so, these ingredients are so, these supplements are so important, because they're going to boost your immune system, but also they're going to re-energize you like there is no tomorrow. There is going to be slight sensitivity that you are going to have to aluminium again, and I haven't seen I have seen this before many times, in particular when it comes to you, my gorgeous Sagitterini. Aluminium, you know, deodorants that you are using, just make sure that it's actually without aluminium, because aluminium is vile. Aluminium is not good for us. No, baby, no, because aluminium is going to block your pores. I said this before, and once your pores are blocked, it's not very good, because you just end up having all these toxins in your body. So no, baby, no. So try to get a natural deodorant without aluminium, which is going to be so much better for you. One more thing, I know, I'm sorry. One more thing I want to say is just basically when it comes to the actual stomach, also just try to get like a natural organic chamomile tea, without anything, without sugar, and try to, oh my God, for the love of God, try to avoid like sugar as much as you can. Sugar is like really bad for you. So I don't take sugar like myself whatsoever. The actual sugar is cut out of my diet. I don't need it, I don't want it, bye. No, just try to cut out sugar out of your out of your diet. So try to get something like a maybe organic maple syrup is quite good. I actually even prefer this to honey. So organic maple syrup would be quite good substitute for the actual sugar. So if you drink coffee and things like that, instead of sugar, maybe you can put a little bit of organic maple juice, basically. So this is something I would suggest you, but it's also going to be good for your tummy. And on another hand, just try to get something like organic chamomile tea, because it's remarkable and it's wonderful. And if you get like organic chamomile tea, maybe if you drink like 1 cup a day, also without sugar or without like any sweeteners, but if you do have to, then put just like a little bit of maybe organic maple syrup. And this is something that you're going to benefit from so much. If you're on any other medications, if you're pregnant or if you're breastfeeding, you just need to check with your doctor, or you just need to check with your GP, because only your doctor or GP can tell you whether this can interact with your existing medications or not. What else I was going to say before I forget? Now Number 3, in numerology, also means that you are going to have a very, very important advice, and it's going to surprise you, this advice. There are going to be elements around this advice that are going to be like, oh my God, I can't believe I understand this. I can't believe I get this. I can't believe I feel connected to this. Well, babies, this is nothing unusual. So just because you're changing, this month is going to bring you a remarkable stepping stone. So don't be surprised when you find yourself being connected to things that you don't normally kind of like feel connected to, and in particular when you feel like they're re-energizing you and things like that. So don't be surprised. There is a wonderful person, very important person I didn't mention in your life, who is going to be directly responsible for that advice that you are going to have, and that is going to open your eyes, but it's also at the same time here going to help you so much to follow certain things through, because it's going to open your eyes, it's going to give you courage, and lots of other things are at the same time going to become evident. Let me just show you this. Look. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Happy birthday to you, da, da, da. Happy birthday to you, ba, ba, bam. Happy birthday, dear Sagitterini. Happy birthday to you. Let's see, what is your oracle birthday card, babies? Be open, my lord. This is my message. Be open, be open, be open. Don't hold anything back. Do not hold anything back this month. This is all about you expressing yourself. And by doing this, you become so strong. You become so powerful. You enhance your energy. You give yourself that power that you don't normally have. And once you have that power, you are like, oh, you're going to feel like you're on top of the world. Okay, be open and do things exactly as you wish. Do things exactly as you like. Your oracle card is happy birthday to you. Look at this, baby. Change. Do you see it? Change. Your oracle card is change. This month is going to bring you good change. This month is going to bring you long-awaited change. This month is going to bring you an important change. And also, it's going to be connected to the actual element of surprise. Maybe, perhaps, I feel, even if you don't know right now what change I'm talking about, this is going to be something really good. At the same time, it's connected to you being clever, very, very clever, you know, at some moment in time. The cleverness reminds me of a little cat or a cat, you know, cat is very clever. And this is exactly what this energy is reminding me of. And at some moment in time, within the last 12 months, you have been very, very clever, and you have done something, you have taken this certain, like a path that maybe quite few people didn't agree with. But now you will be able to prove your point, but it's not only about that, it's about the completion, you know, that you are reaching an accomplishment, and that is going to be remarkable indeed. I really, really feel very strongly about this month when it comes to you, my gorgeous Sagitterini. Indeed, what I want you to get, what I think that you should get, it would be this gorgeous little tiger's eye crystal. It's something that is going to help you with decision making. It's something that is going to help you like when it comes to like a planning. It's something that is going to help you when it comes to your future. It helps you to express yourself. It helps you to open up yourself. It helps you to communicate. It helps you to have a vibrant energy. But at the same time, it's remarkable when it comes to the decision making, and also when it comes to prosperity, when it comes to like us like attaching ourselves to this particular energy. And it's remarkable when it comes to us protecting ourselves from all sorts of negative energy, in particular when it comes to an evil eye, because there is going to be a little bastard around here somewhere, you know, that is going to kind of show yourself, but you're going to become aware of it. And that little bastard is actually going to be quite positive for you, because it's going to help you to kind of like change your path a little bit. You're not going to be affected, but it's most certainly going to kind of like let you know and make you aware of the certain kind of wrongdoings and things like that. So that in itself drain our energy a little bit, you know, but it doesn't matter, because you will be protected indeed, and this is actually going to work in your favor. But I really, really think that this is something that you should get and wear throughout December and January as well, and especially when you're planning, when you're trying to achieve things, when you want to have a little bit of like a luck little charm, you know, if you can call it like this. But at the same time, it is just something that it's going to protect you so much. This comes with a sterling silver setting, and it comes with a sterling silver chain, and the link to buy this is in the description below. By buying things from my channel, you're also supporting my channel, of course, I have to say that. So now, my babies, sorry, you see, I'm so sorry, it's my throat. Because I was singing, because I was singing, because I was singing to you. Because I was singing, because I was singing, because I was singing to you. Because I was singing, because I was singing, because I was singing to you. Because I was singing, because I was singing, because I was singing to you. Sagitterini, love you. You see, now basically the first, you know, your energy makes me like feel happy. That's because you are like a very energetic, and I really like this. Anyway, so now my gorgeous Sagitterini, now my gorgeous Sagitterini, the very first date that I'm going to be talking about is the 1st of December. The very 1st of December, you will be able to feel this energy change, and I really like it. And you know, from the very first moment in the morning, please listen to me very carefully. Please listen to me very carefully. I'm going to say this only once. That was hello, 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 hello. Remember? Old school, hello, hello. Yeah, so it's basically the 1st of December. It's very important because very much so the 1st, 2nd, and the 3rd of December. Look, we've got number 3 again. Oh, my Lord. The 1st, 2nd, and the 3rd of December, I need you to pay attention to what is the very first thing on your mind. I told you how important this is because this comes from directly from our highest level or deepest level of our subconscious mind, because when we sleep we travel so much, we are having all sorts of astral projections and things like that. So by the time when we wake up, these first few minutes are very, very important. They're very remarkable because we just kind of have certain things in our mind, and these things are these things that we have in our mind are most certainly important when it comes to us having really great sacred guidance, in particular when it comes to what we should pay attention to. Something it's going to be revealed to you within the first 3 days when you wake up, you know, when you open your eyes, and it's also at the same time going to provide you with a clear direction. So this is something I want you to understand. This is something that you need to realize, you see. And now it's going to be very, very healing because it's going to answer your question, you know, how to deal with a certain issue, how to deal with negativity, how to deal with a certain like a sadness, you know. And it's just going to be really wonderful, courageous energy that you are going to have at the same time, and you're going to start feeling very, very strong. And this, my babies, is exactly what I'm talking about. This is why this December is going to be so significant for you. The 1st of December in particular, it's going to bring you, you are going to have an important advice, an interesting advice that you are going to have, which will answer quite a lot about your goals. You will just kind of like one advice that you will get, one advice that you're going to have, it's going to at the same time answer so many questions. I really like this because also you are going to be aware of the certain deception, you know, a little bit of obscurity, a little bit of dishonesty. But then again, it's going to help you to escape this little danger, you know, and it's connected to the actual negative influence, but it's also connected to the actual fact that you are just going to need to be really cautious about a certain person. The 1st of December is the time when you just keep certain things to yourself, in particular if they're like to do with like you private things, you know, things to do with you and personal things, you know, because maybe someone, you know, is just kind of going to try to trick you into something. I don't want to make you feel really paranoid. You're going to be absolutely fine, but I just need you to kind of be aware of this. On another hand, you know, the 1st of December, it's by the end of the day, it's going to be remarkable because you're going to feel very strong power through your own creativity. Please be as creative as possible, baby. You use this energy by tapping into it, by being as creative as possible, and by doing this, you become like a glue. You become become like a magnet. You attract those things in your life that are so important to you. So please do not be low, do not go down or be negative. December, it is not month for you to be negative whatsoever. I'm not saying that you're negative, but I'm just saying to use this energy like to the best of its ability. For example, it's about the creativity, and also, you know, you're just gonna feel like you want to start something in particular, you know, start of something very important. It's going to take place here, and it's most certainly going to bring you gain later on. But it's also on the 2nd of December, it's going to be the meaningful experience, ooh la la, that you are going to have, which is going to be connected to the actual 1st of December. So it's going to be a wonderful, because it's at the same time, you know, it's going to redirect you slightly, and it's going to help you to avoid the hidden little danger, you know. So it is all important indeed. The second important date will be the 16th of December. Now, the 16th of December, there is an important judgment that is going to take place, you know. But this judgment that is going to, please see, because karmically, you're just going to need to remove some kind of like a person from your mind. So someone is going to kind of bounce back into your life, and you just must not be really negative towards them. You just must like kind of, it's a lot to do with the forgiving, but it's also at the same time by kind of following it through, by realizing at the same time that it's not about you so much forgiving them, but you're just going to release yourself out of the negative energy so much. This is an important process that you are going to become a part of, and if you get this right, there is so much going to be happening for you later on. I'm not saying it's not going to happen at some moment in time, like in a slightly longer period of time, but you are just going to have to wait so much longer. So in particular, if there is on the 16th somebody who returns into your mind and you're like so angry about them, please just forgive and forget. I know it's sometimes for me it's so easy to say this, but it's not about them, it's about you, my gorgeous Sagitterini. So that way you just really kind of you know, you just follow through your process, your karma, you allow your spiritual journey to evolve, you know, by doing this. It's important. On another hand, you know, this is all about the actual this is an important time to account for your actions, but at the same time, this is all about your improvement. It's about your development. It's about your promotion, an absolutely mind-blowing outcome of the past effort you're going to have on this day. And this is what I'm talking about. This is what I get so excited, because it's going to feel like a transformational moment in time, which is going to lead towards your own rebirth. Very, very good, because especially in the last 2 months, you were affected so much, my babies, and it was affected you in a way like you can't move forward, you can't move backwards, you can't move left, you can't move right, but you actually can. But the bottom line is that this was creating difficulties, like in launching new projects and things like that, you know. So this is why it was raising lots of concern and changes that were really negative, that you were really worrying about. So this is why the 16th of December is going to be really significant, my babies, because you are going to start feeling like you have a very, very strong control over a situation, and really like this. Number 11 is going to be very important number for you, very lucky number. It's going to be number 11, and then again, it's such a powerful number when it comes to spirituality, when it comes to our power, when it comes to our strength, when it comes to why we are here on this earth for, you know, like when it comes to like the deepest level of the meaning of absolutely everything. But then again, you find yourself at the beginning of something completely new, completely different, that is actually also going to surprise you. It's connected to the changes, but through you evolving yourself and doing things at the right moment in the right time, my gorgeous Sagitterini. So it's all about control over a situation, strength, the courage that you are going to have, energy, determination, and also, you know, confidence. There will be that you will hear about an accomplishment, and an important accomplishment here as well, and that is going to contribute towards it. Okay, the third important date is going to be on the 30th of December. Now, the 30th of December, it's all about you. You're going to have an important news here. And this is also going to surprise you. This news that you're going to have, it's going to surprise you, but it's going to be good. It's going to be positive, and it's to do with your security. It's to do with your personal power. It's to do with your safety at the same time. And that is going to lead towards you realizing that there is an invitation, opportunity that you are actually going to have. And this will be important because it's going to, something is going to be required from you, but it's going to create a little bit of a challenge. If you do feel like a challenging situation, it doesn't matter, baby, just go for it. The more challenging situation it is, the better it's going to be. The more scary situation it is, the better outcome it's going to be for you. So it doesn't really matter. Just remember, it is to do with you reaching a very important stage of your life by completing the full circle. This is to do with your completion, and this is happening right at the end of the month. So anything that comes up as a challenge, I just advise you, go for it, go for it, go for it, babies. Is the 30th and the 31st of December are all about important challenges for you, but at the same time it's about you taking them on, because it's about the actual certain departure journey. It's going to be super relevant here, but also on another hand, when it comes to your development, it's about the advancement into the unknown. You are really going to feel about the advancement and changes, but then again, it's going to be so many unknown things connected to it that it may scare you a little bit. But Sashita tells you, just go for it, baby. You're going to be absolutely fine. This is about your personal advancement, and also at the same time, that is going to be connected to what? Pam, pam, pam. The Wheel of Fortune, my babies. This is connected to the Wheel of Fortune. The 30th and the 31st of December are all about the actual Wheel of Fortune that you are going to have, which means that whatever I say to you, my babies, this is going to blow your mind. This is going to blow you away in the best possible way. The 30th or the 31st of December are going to bring you the situation that you cannot even believe that you're going to be part of. It's going to surprise you. You know, whether this is at home and you talk to someone, or whether you're outside and then you talk to someone, you know, it doesn't really matter, my baby, but the situation is going to bring something really important and significant out of you, because you're going to it's going to surprise you. It's going to bring you a big surprise, but in itself, you are going to respond to this situation in the way that is going to surprise you, and that is going to help you to click, to connect, and also to see some kind of opportunity that you wouldn't normally see. So you see what I mean? This is important, because most certainly it's also going to bring you a conclusion and realization that you're approaching the end of a problem, and that in itself is going to be remarkable, because it's going to be absolutely superb later on. Okay, so now I'm just going to see what is going to happen to you in the first week of December. Sagitterini, Sagitterini, Sagitteri, Sagitteri, Sagitterini, 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 pam 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 pam. Pam 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 param pam param pam pa 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 pa. Sagitterini, Sagitterini, Sagitteri, Sagitteri, Sagitterini. I love you, my gorgeous Sagitterini. Raise your vibration, raise your energy. Okay, so now, my babies, I want to say to you that the first part of December, it's going to bring you the actual, oh my Lord, an important moment. You know, something is going to, like the certain moment of wish, some kind of wish is slowly coming through, but it's about you, what you wanted, what you were planning. Now you're going to realize that this is about to become reality, and you're going to start feeling magic. You're going to start feeling beautiful energy. And you're going to start feeling this beautiful vibration that you didn't feel in a long time, my babies. And this is great because I know how much this will mean to you so much. Also, your third psychic eye is going to be superb. It's going to be wide open, which means that you're going to find yourself like really kind of like a connect to your subconscious mind, you know, so much, which in return is going to help you to kind of like really connect to everything else from a much higher level. I really highly suggest you to get also something like an amethyst. Look at this gorgeous little baby. Amethyst is fantastic and it's beautiful because it helps you to connect on a spiritual level. It guides you. It helps you to enhance your psychic abilities. It helps you to enhance your third psychic eye. It helps you to recognize and understand things around you, but also it helps you like to kind of like remember your dreams better. It helps you on so many different levels, emotionally and spiritually, and it's wonderful because every time when you want to do that much more, every time when you want to understand that much more, every time when you want to go that much further, you know, just take a little amethyst crystal, wear it, and it's going to help you to understand things that you don't normally understand. So therefore it brings the best out of you, in particular when it comes to the certain responses. And never mind to say that the actual amethyst is remarkable when it comes to protecting ourselves as well, you know, in our energy, and something that you should really you will benefit from. This comes with the sterling silver setting and the sterling silver chain, and the link to buy this is in the description below. And you know by now that buying from my channel, also buying from my store, also supports this channel indeed. Okay, so now, as I said, something really important is going to start becoming reality here, something that was important to you in particular over the last 9 months indeed, but even longer. You're going to start realizing the changes and a rather magical time of life. Okay, you need to understand, to have faith in the universe, and everything is going to be absolutely fine. You project this energy and you affect its balance by thinking positive, and now it's time to think positive indeed. Follow yourself through. Think about things that are actually important to you, but also very important to think about your own expansion, what you like doing, how would you like to express yourself, what would you like your next step to be. All this is very important, but listen to your essence, listen to yourself deep within. There is an important voice that is going to come out and let you know something, and it's to do with your passion, you know, it's a flame. That's what I'm showing you. See, flame, passion, it's like within you. Okay, last time I did this, I just dropped all the wax on my cards. Gosh, oh my god. So yeah, basically this is really important time. And also just remember that logic and organization will increase your success. Please remember that logic and organization will increase your success. Okay, take charge of the situation. Okay, it's all about a structure and discipline at the same time. The second part of December, it's going to bring you like quite emotional experience. You know, I like this because this in itself is going to make you realize that you are having a very important moment of awakening of psychic abilities and spiritual insights. Something an important news, an important letter, an important message you're going to have here, and that message that you are going to have here, it's going to make you realize that you can do something, you can reach something, you can get something new, something that you wanted to do and get for a long time. So this is going to be a really important message, but also at the same time, just remember to manage your resources really wisely. Okay, very important indeed. The third part of December, it's going to bring you the actual Lord, you see, significant purchase. Coco, okay, let me just let Coco out. Sorry, there you go, Totolino, sorry. Okay, it's going to bring you an important purchase, you see, ability to buy something. So financially this is going to be really good, the third part of December, you know. And also an exciting opportunity, you see, an exciting opportunity. So for those of you who are looking for the career, for those of you who are looking to expand like that, an exciting opportunity is going to come at the end of December. Think positive and be as open open-minded baby as you can. For those of you that are like retired, this is also, it doesn't matter what you do. This is all going to boil down to something that is so important to you, and you see it as a remarkable opportunity. Maybe you're looking for a job, baby, and this is going to be a remarkable opportunity at the end of December. So karmically, it's like a really great time. Karmically, it's an important time of growth, not only spiritual, but when it comes to your materialistic growth as well. That point, that the certain direction is going to be pinpointed at you at that very moment in time, and you're going to like it. You're going to like it indeed, okay? On another hand, you know, just remember that also there is the end of December. It's going to be bring you quite remarkable ending. But then again, that ending, it's all about release. You are going to be the one who is going to who's going to start, who's going to create that ending by making a decision that you're going to release something. So what you need to release, my babies, at the end of December, it's going to be super relevant when it comes to that. And when you release this is why am I saying, when you release this, you will also release yourself from the karmic energy that was holding you down. And in that moment in time, you're going to realize that endings are going to lead to new beginnings, and that in itself is going to be remarkable, because you will see exactly what was actually holding you down. This is going to bring you the spiritual transformation like you haven't seen in a long time, my babies. And that in itself, it's going to lead towards an absolutely remarkable moment when it comes to you having a significant life experience, you know. And you will know at the end of December, when you have this significant life experience, that there are going to be the certain changes that are going to require from you, the certain experience that is going to require from you to make certain changes. This is going to be very powerful, and it's most certainly going to be unexpected. So this is going to be brilliant. It's connected to unexpected revelation at the end of December, okay? And this is all about breaking free and also releasing all belief systems at the same time. Ooh la la. Okay, so now my gorgeous Sagitterini, what else I was going to say? This is something as well. You see this sage? It's something that I would do at some moment in time this month. You see, if you can get like a little dry sage and just smudge your home, it's just going to help you to get rid of the negative energy, you know, that can be accumulated within your home. And that in itself can help you to feel so much better. And also you can smudge yourself. This in itself, it's also going to have a remarkable effect on you. If you would like to get a dry sage, look at the size of this. You can get it on my in my shop as well, and the link is in the description below. By buying things from my channel, you're also supporting my channel as well. Now my gorgeous Sagitterini, I'm just going to shuffle these cards, and I'm going to see what is going to happen to those of you in relationship. Now oh la la, you see 10 of Swords, Lord. You see the very negative situation is slowly going to come to an end, but before the negative situation comes to an end, there is going to be a little bit pressure for those of you in relationship. So you're going to have to deal with a problemo from before. There's a certain problem that karmically was very strong, very powerful, and I say karmically strong and powerful, it means that you have to deal with it there. You have to deal with it then, at that moment in time. And if you don't deal with it, it creates this karmic knot that I was talking about, and karmic knot is created when we just kind of have to deal with this, and it's part of why we are here partially on this earth. So it's an important part of our spiritual journey, our spiritual development. So this is karmically some kind of situation that is going to bounce back, that is going to require from both of you to deal with, okay? Very, very important. On another hand, my gorgeous Sagitterini, for those of you in relationship, oh, there you go. The moon. Like, oh my God, be very, very careful, because I think that this month is going to be like a little bit touchy, feely. And also, this is, you know, something that you just both are going to need to work with. I don't want to make it like negative, like dark Lala thing, but I just want to say that it's important to deal with problems, deal with issues, because there is going to be some kind of like an uncertainty that you're both going to need to work with. And this is why the moon card is all about. La la la, you see. So there is an annoying like kind of problem that you're gonna have to deal with, but it's just kind of like you need to sort this out. Very, very important. And I'm saying this because most certainly it's going to help you to move forward. Seven of Cups is going to be the actual moment that you are going to have some kind of also like something from the past that you're gonna focus on, but at the same time there is some kind of like justice that you're both going to feel. Justice that you're both going to feel, but it's to do with this kind of like long time ago. Something started quite a while back, and this justice is just about to happen now. And that in itself is brilliant because it's at the same time going to bring you control over situation. It's going to bring you wonderful balance. It's going to bring you power. And this is brilliant because this is all about the fairness, responsibilities, justice. You know, it's all about the justice, and that in itself is going to be very rewarding for both of you indeed, because it's going to bring you harmony into your life. You as a couple, as the couple, are going to get very, very important advice this month, and you're not going to expect this, you're not going to ask for this, but it's going to surprise you, and you may not even realize how important it's going to be until later on. Okay, watch this space, baby, just watch this space. Now Sagitterini, 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 Sagitterini. Do you know what? And those of you that are actually single and ready to mingy, you see, oh my Lord, two of Cups. You know what? Someone is going to call to your attention. I can see that someone is slowly walking into your life. Somebody is going to walk into your life, my gorgeous Sagitterini, but you just have to remember, one step at a time. This is very important. Somebody like you are going to have a moment this month when you're going to get a hope, you know, and very powerful hope is going to give you inspiration, and this is going to be also connected to the bright prospects and the actual opportunities connected to it, which are going to be connected to unlimited possibilities. That is going to get you going. It's going to open your eyes. It's going to be like, yeah, baby, but at the same time this is going to be connected to somebody who's going to inspire you. There is an important inspiration going to happen. Somebody's slowly going to start walking into your life, but these are only going to be the beginning of stages. I like the way this person is going to make you feel, but also the way this person is going to feel. It's going to be like, ooh la la, baby, like vice versa. You're both going to make each other feel like very determined, you know, to do things, you know, and this is going to bring initiative, strength, force. You know, this is going to be remarkable because you're going to have a very, very strong, deep connection, very deep emotional feeling towards someone that you didn't have in a long time, but they will feel the same. So this is going to be very interesting for you, my gorgeous Sagitterini, because it's going to happen when you least expect it, but you are most certainly going to like it. Okay, my gorgeous Sagitterini, I love you so, so, so much. Once again, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Thank you so much for watching me, my gorgeous Sagitterini. I love every single one of you. I'm sending you brightest blessings, lots of love, healing, peace, and light. So I'm sending you brightest blessings, lots of love, healing, peace, and light to every single one of you, my gorgeous babies. Thank you ever so much for watching my videos. Sasha Bonasin, Psychic Medium. Love you. Bye.